All right. Welcome back to the Sharps Toolbox demonstration, information, visual representation. That's a lot of alliteration and rhyming. All right, I'll stop. So you've got your custom metrics now, right? And what we want to do is build a power ranking. So once you go into the custom metric tool, now we're going to switch over to power rankings and create metric. So let's do that. Okay, so we're going to name this demo power ranking 1.0. Description, a fake power ranking. All right. And then again, we just want to double check, click that. It works the exact same. It's the same tool, except now what we're doing is aggregating some things we've already made. So, I built a stat I call crunch time defense. Let's add that to passing disruption. Let's do that. There we go. Passing game disruption. And maybe we'll call this. Oh, and let's do run game grade. Okay. Oh, no, that's an offensive stat. I take that back. We don't want that in there. Run game defense. Run stopping. There we go. All right. So now we've got 3 stats, right? We made these stats. We feel good about them. Let's take a look at our preview. So works the same way. We've got our new metric, all the different stats. You can see here some of them don't quite fit in, and it looks like crunch time defense is the culprit. So if we know that, maybe what we want to do is kick those out. And now we've got the stats. Oh, we need to add. You know what I did? I didn't add. I got to have variables in there. Important thing to add. Run stopping defense. There we go. So now we've got our new stat. Let's see if maybe can we put crunch time in there too. Yes, we can. Awesome. Well, the only one that doesn't work for that is Carolina, which means they probably haven't had any third down or fourth down attempts to stop on defense. Because that's mostly what that stat is made up of, is third down, fourth down, and goal line attempts. They've definitely had goal line attempts, so again, probably nothing in there. Zeros don't work. So again, if we sort by the metric, lowest ranks and then highest ranks, so, high numbers. And I think one of these is supposed to be an inverse number. And I think let's just get rid of this. All right, passing game disruption, run stopping defense 101. Highest ranking is Buffalo, then San Francisco, Jacksonville, Tampa Bay, Dallas, Cleveland, Carolina, Philly. Flip it around. Worst defenses, Atlanta, Arizona. Oh, it didn't sort correctly. There we go. Atlanta, Arizona. Why is Buffalo jumping in there again? That's a 21 for whatever reason. That's not sorting correctly. Why is it doing this? There we go. Okay, worst ones. New Orleans, Miami, Tennessee, Arizona, Las Vegas, Jets, Los Angeles Rams. Best ones, Buffalo, San Francisco, Jacksonville, Tampa Bay, Dallas, Cleveland, Carolina. Whether or not you agree with that, you might be like, oh, these stats suck. And that might be true, but that's not up to you, right? That's why you make your own power rankings and not use someone else's. So again, we can grade and then see maybe where some of the inverses are, where teams are good at one, maybe bad at another. And like that's something like you look at the Panthers. They have a high passing game disruption score, but a low run stopping defense, and that's why it dips. One is high, one is low. A team like the Eagles, really high, and then really high in passing game disruption, really low. You can see you get the outputs here, but it just gives you the ability to again look at these things, play around with things, maybe say, hey, how do I, maybe I want this number. Let's look at the range. Our lowest team's a 4, our highest team's a 20. Maybe we want to shrink that. So then we add another group, right? Just to try to get things a little more in line in terms of like, hey, if I'm going to use this as a power ranking or to interpret spreads, I need smaller numbers. So divide by 2. And then again, so now the range is 10 to 2 instead of 20 to 4, which again isn't a big deal in terms of percentages. It's the same thing, But if you're dealing with actual spreads and you're trying to say, okay, I want my defenses maxed out at, 10 or close to 10, and we want the bottom to be, closer to like a 2, right? Let's say we're doing a 1 to 10 score. It gives you that ability, so you can kind of manually adjust things to fit within whatever scale you're looking to accomplish. And that's really it, guys. So if you have any questions, as always, reach out to us. We'd be more than willing to help out. If you'd like to schedule a personal demo, we're still doing those. Let us know if you want to talk. Thanks for listening and watching, and hope this clears up any confusion or questions. Thanks. Bye.